What happens if you don't file Form 410, proof of claim? Have you ever wondered what could happen if you miss an important step in the bankruptcy process? Specifically, what if you don't file Form 410, the official proof of claim? This form is essential for creditors in a bankruptcy case, and not filing it can lead to significant consequences. When a creditor fails to submit Form 410, they generally lose the right to receive any payment from the bankruptcy estate. This form notifies the bankruptcy court and trustee about the creditor's claim against the debtor, detailing the amount owed and the nature of the debt. If you miss the deadline to file this form, your claim is usually barred. This means you cannot take part in any distribution of the debtor's assets or repayment plan. In Chapter 7 bankruptcy cases, which often do not have assets available for creditors, there may not be an initial deadline to file claims. However, if assets are discovered later, the court will send a notice with a deadline to file Form 410. Missing this deadline means you cannot recover any money from the bankruptcy estate. In Chapter 13 and Chapter 11 cases, there is always a deadline for filing a proof of claim. If you miss this deadline, you typically lose the chance to recover any money through the bankruptcy process. For secured creditors, those who hold a lien on the debtor's property, not filing a proof of claim does not eliminate the lien itself. They may still have rights to the collateral outside of bankruptcy. However, without filing the claim, they may not receive payment through the bankruptcy estate. Additionally, failing to file a proof of claim means the creditor cannot provide evidence of the debt in court proceedings related to the bankruptcy. This limitation can further restrict their legal rights in the case. Overall, not filing Form 410 usually results in losing the right to participate in any bankruptcy distributions and limits the creditor's ability to assert their claim within the bankruptcy case. It is vital for creditors to be aware of and meet the filing deadlines to protect their interests.